Girl Scouts, are you ready for Cookie Rally 2024? Misty Lee is one of our amazing special guests, and she's going to teach us a little bit of a magic tricks to get you to own your magic. Here we go, Misty.
Hey! All right, so take your Kleenex just like this. Tear it up into a bunch of little pieces.
Okay.
Crumple it up into a little ball. Like that. And then snap your fingers.
Oh.
And just like that, it is restored.
Oh my goodness.
But it isn't though, because the torn up pieces are still in my hand. And that's how we do this trick. So here, get 2 Kleenexes. You want me to wait while you go get your Kleenexes?
I have them right here.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so I have the one in my hands.
Well, hold on now. You're getting ahead of yourself. So we have to do this for the girls at home. So you have 2 Kleenexes, yes, and they are identical. Trick doesn't work as well if one is pink and one is blue. People figure it out. They got to be identical. So take one of the Kleenexes and just wad it up, and ideally leave it with a little piece so you can grab it in a minute, right? That's a little advanced, but and then you're gonna hide it in your hand like that underneath your thumb. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Okay. Now, when you're showing this Kleenex, the nice thing is, if you use this hand, people think it's empty. It's not. You know that. I know that. But they don't know that, right? So you show the Kleenex with the same hand that the other Kleenex is in. Boop, 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 boop. Nothing here. Nothing suspicious at all, except everything's suspicious. But that's our little secret. Then you take the Kleenex and hiding the other one back here, you tear it into pieces, being very careful to mind your angles, which is a magician term for don't expose the way you're doing it, please. And then you start to wad up the pieces. And in the process of wadding up the pieces, you switch the pieces for the whole one. The effort of wadding up lets you make that switch. And people are not thinking, oh, she's switching it right now for another Kleenex. They're not thinking that. So you don't have to run because you're not being chased. So you've done that. Now we have the Kleenex with that's all still together and the pieces are hidden, right? And then you can, this is the moment of magic for the people watching. The magic trick has already happened. This part right now is where the miracle happens, because this isn't right. This is the performing part. Look at that. And then you can show this, get rid of this hand, and if you're somewhere, you can throw the pieces on the floor and get rid of them so your other hand is empty. And you can show that you made a magic. And if you show my booth, my voiceover recording booth, you will see that there are Kleenexes all over the floor. Yay! That part you kind of want to ditch. We call it ditching. Get rid of the torn up pieces so that people don't go, oh, there's the pieces right there. You had 2 hankies. And you go, well, yeah, I did, because magic is inside. It's not this stuff, right?
Yeah, that was amazing.
How do you feel about it? Yeah, you feel like you could do it? I feel like you could.
I just did a magic trick. That's so cool.
Yes, you can.
I've never done a magic trick. I've never learned anything like that.
Until today. And now you can. And you already have.
Yes. I'm excited. See? Girl Scouts, make sure you take a video of yourself doing your magic trick and tag Girl Scouts.
Oh, yes. Tag me.
So you can see your tissue magic trick.
Yes, please. I would love to see it. And I'll give you notes. I'm just kidding. Exactly. They're going to be great. They're going to be great.
Thank you. Thanks, Misty.
You're so welcome.
We got the magic.